Hello there. So I'm at this brand new community. Super cool. Really nice houses. More like modern looking houses. But anyway, we're going to be installing 2 vehicle chargers on this new build. And Victor and Jared are here. So let's run inside and see what they got going on. Like I was saying, this community is really cool. The main issue, though, is every single one of these homes is being worked on. Nobody really lives in any of them, so the traffic and parking is terrible. And Jared and Victor are just popping a hole through the drywall right here so they can get the 1-inch Schedule 80 from the panel up to the new charger location. This is the charger that's going on the north wall. There's also one on the south wall. And right here, Jared just kind of doing a mock-up to make sure everything's going to fit properly and work out nice in the end.
This one lasts all day. And then some, like that one that I just pulled out that's dead right now, that little one. That's the skinny battery. And it lasted all day, and then I did it for
max?
Yeah.
And now that we have the charger that's on the north wall base, tap con to the wall, and the pipe in, I'm adding the 1-inch bushings so we can pull the wire through.
Do you have a pull new wire, or we're going to use the same one? We're going to use the same one?
So, you're probably going to have to move that because this one wouldn't reach all the way around. So you probably move this up here.
And it was super close, right? Or no?
Yeah. So probably move these two up. Or, something like that.
I mean, if you had it
It was
tight,
probably like 1.25 inches.
when you had it tight, you had it like tight like that.
Yeah. It was probably like 3/4 inch.
Let's get the other one pulled in.
Yep. Where's your other battery, bro?
What we were just talking about is we were going to try and use some offcuts we had from another job to run this north wall EV charger because it's only a few feet long, but those offcuts weren't long enough. That being said, we want to make sure we pull the longer pole in first, which is the south wall right here. And we want to make sure we pull that in first because if we cut a couple feet off of the wire we have and end up not being long enough for that, that's really frustrating. It's not as big of a deal to go and run to the supply house to get a little bit more wire for a shorter pole, but if we waste a long run, that stinks. This new ladder I got is pretty cool, and for this tight spot right here, it's just what the doctor ordered. So the builder added a 1-inch Smurf across the garage for this exact reason, and we found it and pulled it out.
We'll forget about it, and then it will get jammed in the door. Oh, the wind stopped. That's weird. Oh no, but it's starting again.
There's an ice-cold breeze that was blowing out of this hole that we noticed.
Yeah, here, feel the wind coming. It's like air conditioning. It's like an air conditioning vent. Feel it. Put your hand, take the glove off.
Oh, what the heck?
Isn't that weird? It's like an AC vent.
Yeah.
Chill up there. I'll see you losers later.
There's no attic access over here.
Well, it's just in between the floors. But it
Yeah.
shouldn't be that cold.
No,
That's like
not
a
at all.
major AC leak up in there. You should look at it with the thermal. You could probably spot the leak.
Yeah. It's colder.
Should I do that now?
Camera?
I got the thermal camera here.
I'm curious what the temperature is at right there right now.
Probably like 72.
What's the guesses? Mine's
70.
I'm gonna go with like 77.
75. My guys. For all the marbles. 60 or 86. Wait.
Nah, you gotta go up in there.
It's not the closest without going over. This ain't the Price is Right either. $1. It's it's creeping up on mine.
Whatever we get.
82, 81. Oh, up in there, 79.5.
If this was the price right, I'd be close.
I'm still going with $1.
You can see the air.
Let's see if we can spot the leak. Oh yeah. See it?
Yeah.
There's a blue cold spot. There's an AC leak right there. Isn't that crazy? Major AC leak.
Yeah, it's pretty apparent there's definitely an AC leak between the 2 floors here. This is a super hot day, almost 100 degrees with the heat index, so it definitely shouldn't be that cool up that high at the ceiling.
I need that water.
Right here, I'm just putting a little 45 kicker on the 1-inch PVC with the bell end that's going to go into the Smurf pipe, so that way I can go around the 2x4 that's there and help the Smurf make the bend.
Get a little more.
The water kind of helps it freeze in place right where I want it.
It's gonna be hard to cut it up in there, but I could just push it back.
Yeah. Push it up a little bit, you know?
Oh no, but we need to go down a little bit actually, to be honest with you, because we want it to go like
You want
that.
it to sit like that?
Yeah.
Alright,
So.
right here.
Yeah.
The cutters on me?
Ladies, tough to cut. I gotta be real careful not to cut the fiberglass.
Yeah, there's a fish tape going through this conduit right now. Although it is Victor's fish tape, so it wouldn't be that big of a deal if it got chopped in half, but I'll be nice today.
Wow, it's really coming out of here, this cold air. You want to take this, Smurf?
Yeah, not those. How many years experience?
Here.
Huh?
Here. What?
How many years experience did you guys have?
How many do I have experience?
How many years experience?
About, I think it's going on like 84, 85 years experience.
Yeah,
No, like, let me think. It's like 20 something.
20 years experience.
Yeah, why?
How old is he?
I'm 40, but I've been doing it since I was like, I mean, I did it when I was very young, but like for real since I was like 16. Hold it.
No, I'm saying the new guy.
Oh, the new guy.
Yeah.
2 years.
Oh, okay.
Green over.
That's not green.
No, that's not green at all.
2 years?
Green is like just starting out.
Yeah.
So it's a soft man.
This morning he looked so nervous, so I thought he was.
I mean, I've had people that in 2 years are really good.
Uh-huh.
What he was doing, like commercial? Or that-
He was doing both. He did commercial and then he did, he worked for a remodel company.
He's Hispanic, right?
Yep. Here, hold that fish tape. Hold the fish tape. Hold it so it can't pull in. Just hold it steady right at the male adapter and just pull that fish tape. Pull this fish tape. Pull it so you pull it. No, don't hold the fish tape so it doesn't move, Victor.
Got it.
All right, pull.
Yep.
Both people pull.
I got it.
Pull.
We waited a little too long and that glue dried a little bit, so I'm gonna have to redo it. Maybe it was my fault. I should have explained it more beforehand.
That's not gonna take it back apart. I'm gonna glue it again.
Something like channel watch or something so you can hold it down.
You guys are gonna have to pull it real hard, okay?
Gotcha.
Look out below.
Jesus. I want that in my hair.
Don't look up either.
No. It's staying out of the way.
I'm adding an excess of glue so that it kind of helps lubricate the pipe to go on, and it will take a little longer to dry.
Dang it, I got some other drywall. pull them. Pull them hard.
Yep.
That's good. Pull it even a little harder.
Yep.
Okay, that should be good. Good. All right. Now you want to put that mallet.
By them pulling on each side of the fish tape, it sucked the pipe together and fully seated it into the bell end.
Okay, wait. Just hold it right there for a sec.
Right here, I'm gluing the bottom end of the pipe so we can put the pipe into the male adapter for the charger. On the top side, the reason why I use the bell end instead of a coupling is it makes it quite a bit stronger because you can seat it into the pipe more.
Is that long? A little bit less. A little bit less.
You got a pencil?
Hey Raph, have you ever heard of those what's it called, screwdrivers and stuff that have gotten pretty popular the last couple of years? Or insulated ones, the Weehar or whatever?
Yeah, I have set.
Oh, any good?
Yeah.
Got to be going against something, or else they'll.
Oh, you're talking about the thing that like drywallers use to
Yeah.
put up the box cover, like for new construction?
I need to make it a little bigger.
Yeah. $1. Want to bet $1?
$1 that it won't fit.
Yeah.
All right.
That was a bad bet, Victor. You'll see why in a second.
Look at my dollar, bro. Look at my dollar. Actually, now that I think about it. Yeah.
Ah.
Let's see.
Look at that. My dollar. I want. Where's my dollar? You got a
You guys said AT?
yeah.
Yeah. It's some
Actually, wood screws.
I got rubber screws for that.
Drywall.
Rubber screws?
Yeah.
How much do you need?
What is this stuff called that I'm holding right here?
I got two
What's this called again?
wood.
Here. You can come on this side.
Oh yeah.
I got more here.
I'm gonna need more. I'm gonna probably need like.
I got 3 more.
He's got 3 more right there for you.
Geez, you guys are like teamwork on the drywall screws.
Well, I just throw
Little
in
drill?
random extra screws.
Okay.
I hear 'em. Oh, there it is. Thank you, sir. Do you have any customer you tried to pay with the ABT call?
No, not yet.
I'm actually kind of shocked that you. I feel like that's something.
But then again, we've never worked for your. No.
Oh man.
That was bad. I didn't mean that. Oh, my battery. This battery's dead. Dang it! Because I used it in my fan. That's what I get, right?
I'm sorry, Victor. That one was way below the belt. Uncalled for.
Take this, please.
Let me tell you something. I know a liquor store, they sell liquor with the ABT.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
That's crazy, actually.
You can buy this for Hey, man, throw it. Don't be surprised. Is that your charger?
Oh, there goes that one. But that drywall cut-in does fit pretty nice. Man, I did a nice job there.
Ready? Ready.
And like I was saying before, now that we got this longer pole ran in, we can do the other shorter side, and we had plenty of extra wire. I almost forgot to tap con that strap you see right there, but we get it in the end though. And I gotta say, that is a sharp looking charger right there, buddy.
Did you get me a blue Gatorade when you went? Dang.
Oh, Jar's sticky.
What? Hey! Just threw me under the bus so fast.
I got cold water if you want.
No, but how come he got a Gatorade and I didn't?
I asked for it.
Yeah, I told you, give it to Rob. He didn't listen.
Oh, you did tell him?
Yeah. I told
Wow.
him, give it to Rob.
Wow. And he didn't even care.
No,
He never listened.
I don't like listening. I did too much of that already.
When you were in the military,
Yeah.
there's a lot of that goes on in there, huh?
Mm-hmm. A lot of the times it's involuntary too.
Involuntary listening.
Yeah. It just happens so often. Somebody be yelling at you, and you just start listening for no reason.
Sure, yes, sure. Forrest Gump, why are you such a damn good, what are you, a Marine or whatever? Was he a Marine?
Who?
Forrest Gump.
Yeah. Yeah.
What makes you such a damn good Marine? I don't know, just
I just
that is
do what
the
you
best
say.
damn
Go
answer.
somewhere.
Yeah.
So now that we got that made up, let's mount the charger and get the breakers landed. Now that I forgot to get that strap, we had to cover up the charger so it didn't get dust all inside it. No big deal though, it came out good.
Fire him up.
Yep. So that one should be this one. There we go. Yeah, there we go.
There you go. Did you already knock two knockouts out?
Huh?
Did you already knock out the two additional? No.
No, it's just these. It's these four right here.
I'm on way already.
Since we added those two additional 2-pole breakers, we got to knock out these breaker blanks. Oh yeah, and shout out to those two little entrepreneurs selling lemonade at the entrance to this community. I told them I'd say hi.
All right, so we just got both of those chargers in and on. Everything's working good. I'm gonna get out of here. They're cleaning up. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.